Nokia is a firm that has a big presence here at 5G World and Connected Cars 2016. I'm here on one of their booths, joined by Matthias, here to tell me about some of the innovations that Nokia is introducing into these spaces. Matthias, thanks you very much for joining us. Let's talk first of all about over-the-air management, and in particular security of over-the-air management. Break that down for me.
Yeah, so we as Nokia, we believe cybersecurity must be the basis of every connected car use case, and it's key for user acceptance because we see that a lot of consumers are worried about the cars being connected, and we developed a concept in order to secure the car, the network, meaning the connectivity between car and cloud, to secure the cloud and the application itself. And we need to be able to prevent hacking attacks, to detect hacking attacks, and to act after detecting a hacking attack. And we are doing this in telecommunication networks for years now, and we are now taking our experience, our expertise to the automotive industry.
So what is specifically Nokia's solution to these challenges of over-the-air management and security of that? What is Nokia putting on the ground or on the road to try and keep vehicles secure?
Well, we have more and more software in a car, and just like every other software needs to be managed. And we are providing a platform to deliver multiple over-the-air lifecycle management features, like software management, firmware management, diagnostics, data collection, remote configuration of in-car components. All this can be done over the air.
Well, this is the kind of stuff that over the last 5 or so years we've been used to with the traditional mobile devices that we associate with Nokia, let's face it, be it smartphones or tablets. We're used to over-the-air updates, software updates, and also to the cybersecurity risks. So mobile device management makes sense in our pockets, in our bags, but it also makes sense for our cars as well.
Exactly, and it's done today. So we are managing more than 1 billion connected devices at this moment, not only cars, all kind of devices, and we are doing this for years now, and I think this it will reduce the total cost of ownership of every car maker, because it can reduce recalls, because software issues can be solved remotely over the air.
And there have been some pretty substantial recalls as well over the last 12 or 18 months or so, like you say, where it's simply a software update that's required.
Yes, exactly. So I'm not sure if this number is valid, but I was told it's more than 51 million vehicles were recalled over the last couple of months, and a lot of those recalls were only due to software issues, and we truly believe this can be reduced.
Terrific. So that's connecting cars back to base, back to a kind of central service for management purposes. But then there's also an angle on connecting cars with one another as well. And that's something else that you're showing on this stand as well, with your car to, well, I guess anything, communication via LTE. Talk to me more about the benefits and some of the challenges posed by that.
Yes, so there's a lot of value in connecting cars, because this will increase traffic safety, and there are a lot of use cases standardized. But the issue with existing LTE networks is that the latency requirement of those use cases is not really met. But to overcome this challenge, we are placing mobile edge computing, meaning a small piece of computing, a small server at the edge of the mobile networks, in order to allow low latency connectivity. And this is something that we've done on the highway number 9 in Germany in a live network of Deutsche Telekom, and we have proven that a latency of below 20 milliseconds end-to-end, car-to-car, is possible.
And of course, we're here talking about 5G as well, and Nokia's got some great stories around showcasing 5G technologies. But we're still a few years away from real 5G deployment. It sounds as though you're pretty much there with regards to boosting your LTE capabilities to get that latency down to kind of being manageable. How long before we start seeing real-world applications of this outside of Autobahn number 9 in Germany?
Well, that's a good question. But we are today in contact with a lot of service providers, a lot of automakers, car industry, to discuss this, and I think we will see car-to-car connectivity quite soon.
Terrific. Matthias from Nokia, thanks a lot for joining us.